Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Apple ID. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So the first step is to open your App Store, and when you open your App Store, click on your profile icon and then click on Add Funds to Apple ID. Alright, so once you reach this screen, here you have four options. You can either add $25, $50, $100 or all. So I'm just going to click on other if you want to enter your custom amount. So here, let's click on $100 for now. So once you do that, here you have the pop-up where you can purchase. So once you click on that button, you have to sign in to your Apple ID. So once you have signed in, here you will have an option to add your payment information. Click on continue, and over here you have to enter your credit or your debit card information. So make sure you fill in these details over here. I'm just going to quickly fill the dummy details. So once you do that, here you can see our payment method will be added over here, and then you can purchase your favorite apps. So that is how you can add funds in Apple ID. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.